Hi, thanks for being in a new video. This time I have unboxing of the REDMAGIC X Golden Saga. It is a collector's edition, you have to start. We are definitely in front of a practically luxury piece for gamers. It is a device that we have already tested in its normal configuration and has achieved a completely spectacular performance. So that's why it's exciting to meet the collector's edition. Notice that it comes with these letters highlighted in gold. Over here it also comes with the REDMAGIC logo in gold color. So let's take this device out of the box and let's see what else is coming. Actually, it was just the cover, because we came across another box that comes with a finish that looks very similar to what we see on the carbon fiber material. Although obviously here we're just in front of a box, but I'm describing it just to share with you a little bit of the experience that it is. To hold this device in your hands. Next we're going to uncover it and we're straight into the mobile device, and notice that in this case it comes with this card practically to show off that you have the collector's device. And it has this same design that I was telling you about in terms of aesthetics, although to the touch it is completely smooth. What is embossed is the REDMAGIC logo and it feels very luxurious. Notice on the back it says Golden Saga, and in this case I have the 368 unit. I don't know specifically how many units they made of this collector's edition, but having this plaque with the unit number you got, I think it also gives you this feeling of exclusivity. Let's see what else is there. Over here comes the mobile device right off the bat, and watch, it comes with the deluxe finish. For starters, notice how reflective its frames are. Definitely that looks fancy. Plus it comes with the gold plated button. Let me remove that sticker from the back cover, and notice that this back cover has been manufactured in sapphire with a super advanced precision coating process that REDMAGIC boasts. In this case it reflects too much. That's a characteristic of sapphire as well, especially if you put a black background on the bottom. So I don't like it too much because of so many reflections it has. But note that again it comes with the gold plated logo. Also the fan area comes gold plated, and of course also here the badge that says Golden Saga. Personally I would have preferred a finish that didn't reflect as much, but that's a matter of personal taste. Let's get the device fired up so I can tell you about some of the other things this collector's edition comes with. But in the meantime, let's see what else is included in the box, because it's obviously a big box. I'm not sure what else it has to offer. So let's first remove the second floor and then we come across 3 other boxes. Let's start with the one on the left side, which according to the indicators is going to include the charger and in this case the fan. Note, the fan also comes with this golden hue. Although in this case I think it is not gold, but it is customized in this way to make it look attractive. Remember that this fan is going to be able to stick to the device as long as you stick the magnet. So in this case, the magnet comes with an adhesive that you can stick here on the back cover, and subsequently this fan is going to have this direct contact. I would have liked it better if the magnets were already integrated into the cell phone to avoid the need to place this additional sticker, but so far this is what REDMAGIC offers. Anyway, if you buy the fan separately, it also comes with this other accessory that I see does not come included in this kit, but thanks to this accessory you could more easily place this fan on the cell phone without the need to apply this sticker. But well, this is what is included here. As you saw, it has transparencies that let us see some of the internal components of this fan that is exaggeratedly good to cool even more the cell phone. That honestly, we've tested the phone and you don't even need the fan because it already has super advanced cooling, but it's always appreciated that it comes included in the box. Next we are going to meet the charger. We are going to remove it so you can get to know it. The feel is soft, it's very pleasant how this charger is. Apparently with carbon fiber. In this case it not only has this aesthetic, but it also feels that way, and again it comes with the REDMAGIC logo, and over here Golden Saga expressed with the USB-C port. This charger is 80 watts and it's the one that's included in this case. Now let's put it back in storage and let's see what else we come across in this package. In the middle it looks like the cable will come, at least that's my understanding based on the indicator that this box brings, And indeed, look, it brings two cables in this case. Both of them come with this braided finish, so they're really very strong cables that are going to be very difficult to break. In fact, also the connectors look rigid, and in this case, again with the distinctive logo of REDMAGIC, come two cables because one will serve to connect the fan to the current and to cool the cell phone, and another will serve to charge the cell phone. So it is appreciated that you include these two good implementations. And finally, let's go to the box on the right, which apparently is going to have the same papers as always, but we will see little by little. Also included in this case is a case. Watch. Wow, it's a very nice case. Again, it appears to be carbon fiber. And note that in this case, it perfectly gives a much more advanced aesthetic to the cell phone. At least I like how it looks this way better than how it looks without the case. So on this occasion, I would indeed use the device with a case. And I find it curious that we see a circus in this part. It gives me to understand somehow that had magnets to attach the fan. So let's try it. Although I personally consider that it is not going to be so because the case is quite thin. But look, I'm already testing it, and if it has a magnet, I think it's wonderful. Now we can actually use the fan without any additional accessories. You just stick it on, plug it into the power, and you'll have extreme cooling on this device. And in addition to the case, let's see that it also brings the key to remove the tray, which comes in luxury without a doubt. It's also gold plated, and let's see, it's got a very boxy and very unique design. Then we get the usual paperwork, the quick guide for both the cell phone and the fan, and that's it. So in terms of the packaging and the whole unboxing experience, definitely that we are in front of something considerably attractive. But now, let me tell you some of the differences that this edition has over the traditional edition. In addition to everything that has to do with the packaging, I already anticipated you that we are going to find different gold-plated things in this cell phone. But gold is not only present on the outside aesthetically, but also inside to help cooling. That is, it comes with a gold vapor chamber that, as you know, has a high thermal conductivity, so it will help to cool this device with better quality. It also comes with a cover for the air duct with a silver alloy that will also help cooling, and the same duct where all the air is going to run is also made with a silver alloy, so you see it as silver and gold. Plus sapphire, so the cooling and materials are excellent. Of course, all this is added to the ventilation system that is included in this device to be able to cool it at any time. So the gaming experience, believe me, is completely advanced. The rest of the features are the same as the REDMAGIC 10 Pro. Excellent display and excellent gaming power are the pillars of this device. The camera is behind the screen, so we can already anticipate that the photo quality is simple. It also does not integrate a telephoto camera, so I insist that its top priority is the gaming experience. So if you want to know more about the REDMAGIC 10 Pro, remember that the video review is already available, and in this case I will upload a video where we will show the experience of playing with this device for several minutes so you can see how it behaves in terms of graphics, compatibility, temperature control, and also how much the battery discharges while you are playing. For the moment we have reached the end of the count. I hope you have enjoyed this content. If so, you already know. You can let us know, and we'll see you next time.